that chap there.
There's the keyboard. It's the Trust keyboard. Unfortunately, it's too long to actually for you to actually see the whole thing. But there's the sticker. Comes right off, and here as well. And one just here also. So once you can undo that, you can undo this. No, the sticker's stuck again. It has the keyboard in this plastic bag. Actually, yeah, it isn't a nice plastic bag. Plastic bags aren't particularly nice things, they're just plastic bags. There are some very detailed instructions. Look. English. That's all the instructions. It just tells you where the website is for the instructions. It doesn't actually have any instructions. It's irritating because I don't know how to use a keyboard. I'll have to Google that.
There we are. Cool. Ooh. The main keys are the letter keys. When you type just using these, you get lowercase print. Oh, doesn't say how to type. Doesn't explain how to do it, so I'll have to work it out for myself, I suppose. Never mind.
Oh, okay. Well, that's interesting. Very nice. So you put your finger on it and then move your hand downwards. Like that. Ha! Always wondered. Always wondered. No, but seriously, it doesn't need instructions anyway, so I don't care. It's kind of cool that it doesn't have too many instructions. Nice little wire tie. Nice little plastic bag again. And another gorgeous, gorgeous wire tie. And a lead, because I hate wireless devices. A bit of a fear of them. Now, it might be a bit of an irrational bias, but I have a friend who's got about 20 wireless mice, or mouses, depending on which plural you prefer for the electronic version of the rodent. And none of them work. At all. They're all broken. And so, we have like a 20-year-old mouse that's wired and it still works. So yeah. Get wired stuff. They both transmit information at the speed of light. And yes, electric current does travel at the speed of light. The electrons themselves obviously don't because they have mass, but the current, the actual information does travel at the speed of light. And the energy, in fact, travels at the speed of light, which is more important than the information. Although you need energy in order to transmit information. Anyway, it's about time to plug it in and test it. Okay. There we are. Keyboards for new ones. Funnily enough, wires are a little bit tangly. One thing I will say about this keyboard is you can see moulding seams along the edge, so it's not absolutely perfect, but I think it's a brand you can trust. I mean, you would hope so with a name like Trust, wouldn't you? Time to start typing.
That's good. I've missed the squidgy keys. I mean, so satisfying to squidge them. Because, like, before they were just like tiny flat ones and they just pressed when you touch them. Almost like a laptop keyboard. But yeah, it feels nice. Not the best looking keyboard ever, but it feels nice.